So first, open up your Visual Studio Code and then create a new file, index.html. We will say HTML body and the head. Oh, I did it reverse. Alright, now it's okay. Now let's give it title, web page. Let's see our preview. Okay, so an input is where you can give the website an input. Like I can give him my name, username, password, etc. Okay, so we can say form. I will tell you what the action does. Okay, in the form we will say input, and by the way you can do it outside it, input, but it is the best practice, so always do it inside of form. Now we will say, see, there is a box where we can type anything like hello. Alright, wait, like hello, how are you, etc. Okay, and we can try, there's various types of things like number. Okay, this is a number type. Wait, I think, okay, this is the number. This is, see, we can give it a number, and there's, I think, date. Okay, where we can give our date, for example, like this. Okay, 2022, and there's a lot more like radio. This is a simple button, check off button. Now there's a button in submit too. This is for the submit, and there's a special attribute for submit. Okay, wait, I think I misspelled it. Submit. Alright, submit. See, it is a submit. Now we can say like value equal give username, for example. Okay, wait, let it load. Now there's a label. It is just usually used to describe, like you can say here, enter username. Alright, enter username, and the for is not that much important. Now we will give another input, and the input we will say text. Alright, text is text, and a placeholder, there's a placeholder, we can say username. See, there is it. Now it's saying username. Let it load, then it will be username. Give your username. Okay, first let's make it more pretty by saying br. This is not the best practice, but still. So we can say hello, give username, then it will and there's method. Okay, method, and there's mainly two we use more oftenly. Dialog is not for today, and let's get started. Post. Okay, so post basically does like he will get all of those values that we gave to the box, and then he will go to the backend if you have and set it, then it will go to the backend and save it. Okay, And there's get is like you get data from your backend rather than getting giving your data to the backend. Okay, so those are really different, just you gotta know it. Okay, and there's action decides where the data will go. For example, we have like get user name dot html, for example. Okay, now we can give it, so we can say get username dot html. So basically what it does is it sends all of its data to get username dot html, and we can use it, but we don't have a backend for now, so it will be quite like bad, but whatever. We can say here h1 you have you have submitted your username. Okay, now let's refresh, let's click, you have submitted your username. Okay, it's really good. If we have discovered JavaScript, that will be really fun, so we can make stuff in the later on we will make big projects. Okay, so that's it for today. I will see you in the next one.